This video fully covers working with Radius clients. A Radius client represents any external network device, like a router or Wi-Fi access point, which sends Radius requests to the Radius server. Please note that Radius clients are not users. Users are people with names and passwords. Radius clients are Radius-enabled network equipment pieces. The Radius server should not answer to unknown senders, and you need to list all authorized Radius clients. Each Radius client should possess a special password called secret that it shares with the Radius server. If the secrets don't match on both sides, then Radius negotiations are not feasible. There are several ways to add known clients to ClearBox configuration. First, you may add each IP address as a distinct Radius client. This works well for a relatively small number of clients or when they all have different secrets. Just right-click Radius Clients, choose Add New Client, set its IP address and its secret. Next, you may list several clients from one subnet with one client item, assuming that all clients own the same secret. In this case, you set the subnet address as a client address and specify the network netmask in CIDR notation as the number of bytes used by the subnet. Finally, you may use any relational database to store authorized Radius clients. This may be useful when you've got many clients and it's not handy to add them manually, one by one, or when they change too often, or you intend to apply any sort of automation and manage the clients programmatically. Here we get several options too. When clients don't change, you may load their list at the server startup. ClearBox uses select SQL command to read pairs of IP addresses and secrets from a database table. A more powerful option is to run another SQL command each time ClearBox receives a request from an unknown client. Exact SQL command formats can be found in the product manual. Please note how ClearBox uses actual parameter substitution. SQL command template uses the $+C macro key, which is replaced with an actual Radius client IP address when the command is executed. ClearBox comes with one Radius client added, named Client Tool, with a local host address. It may be used for testing, as the Radius Client Test tool sends requests from this address. You may delete this client entry in the production environment.